Okay, we're given a table, a rectangular table, and a piece of glass defined by a polar curve r equals 0.4 plus a cos 2 theta. We know when theta is 0 that the r is going to be 0.6, half of the 1.2. So we've got 0.6 equals 0.4 plus a times 1. Okay, so that implies a is going to be 0.2. Okay, so we know that, we can now find this height here, should we need it. Not sure we do, but let's go for it anyway. So r equals 0.4 plus a times cos 2 theta. If theta is pi by 2, then r is 0.4 plus 0. I don't think we need it, but we'll put it on anyway. So this is 0.4, this is 0.6. Okay, so we're interested in finding the area of the glass and subtracting it from the area of the rectangle. So the area of the glass now, remember, we're going to do from 0 to pi by 2 and then just multiply it by 4. So it's half the integral r squared d theta, times it by 4, and we're going to go from pi by 2 to 0. Okay, so plugging that in, we then get equals 2 times the integral pi by 2 and 0. We square r, we get 0.16 plus 0.8 a, sorry I know what a is, don't I, cos 2 theta plus a squared cos squared 2 theta. Now I know a is 0.2, so I'll plug that in. So we get, let's move it across a little bit, 2 times the integral pi by 2, 0, 0.8 times 0.2 is 0.16, 0.2 squared, 0.04. Okay, so we'll leave those in for a minute. I was going to take a factor 0.16 out. I'll do that in a minute. So 2 times the integral first two parts are easy enough to integrate. The third part, we need to appreciate that cos squared is, we're going to use the identity cos 2 theta is 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So rearranging that, we get cos, in this case 4 theta, because we're doubling the angle, plus 1 over 2. Okay, so 0.04 divided by 2, 0.02. Alright, so we've got 0.16 and we've got a 0.14 over 2. 0.02, 0.18 altogether, 0.18 theta. So that one plus this end bit, plus 0.08 sine 2 theta, plus 0.02 over 4, 2 over 4 sine 4 theta, between pi by 2 and 0. We put 0 in, all 4 terms are 0, so that's easy. We put pi by 2 in, sine of pi is going to be 0, that's going to be 0, so only left with this term here. Okay, so all we're left with is 2 times 0.18 times pi by, off the bottom of the page, sorry, pi by 2. So 2's cancel, so we're left with 0.18 pi. Okay, and then so that's the area of the inside the circle, inside the white area. Sorry, at the top here. So the side inside the curve. Now we've got the area that we want, which is the shaded area. Equals the area of the rectangle. Take away the area of the glass, and we end up with 0.155 square meters.